Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so we are going to talk about the house plan of a 50 cross 90 house. Okay, this is a 50 cross 90 plot, which is 500 square yards. Okay, so what do we adjust in the designing process of this house? Okay, what we have adjusted here, this is a two-story building. Acha, so in Pakistan we also call it a one canal house. I will show you the 3D design of this house as well. It's a beautiful design that we have made, and its construction is under process. The foundation reinforcement has been laid, and I just wanted to share the layout of the 50 cross 90 house, that how will you adjust different rooms, different kitchens and the bathrooms in this house. So the beauty of this plot is actually it's a corner plot, and from corner plot we mean a house where a road bypasses this side, okay, and one road is on this side. Okay, so this is what we call the corner plot. Now the beauty of the corner plot is, one of the most important point is you can use two different entrance point. So we will be starting from the entrance point. Here you can see that this is the first entrance point, that is the steel grating. It's a 22 feet steel grating, that is basically a lengthy steel gate. Its length is 22 feet, and this is as per the bylaws of Capital Development Authority of Pakistan. So if you want to work on such project, you will have to go through the bylaws as well. Specifically, if you are constructing your project in the developed areas. Okay, so going to our project, we have started our this is a 90 cross 50. Okay, so its length is 90 and its width is 50. Okay, so we are going to start from the main gate. Its main gate is 22 feet. Now here is the porch, that is 26 feet by 6 inches and 21 feet. Its length is 26 feet, like from here to here the length is 26 feet, and from here to here it is a 21 feet long porch. So it's a good porch and it can adjust 3 cars easily. Okay, like for one car we need 8 feet space, a minimum of 8 feet, but by the way it is made for 2 cars, but you can adjust 3 cars as well here. Okay, so on the right side we have a drawing, on the left side we have a general bed. Okay, this is a general bed or guest bed, we call it a guest bed or general bed. Okay, so you can use it as a guest bed or a general bed as well. This is the front lawn, that is 15 feet wide. Here we will have to use front lawn. Okay, this is a front lawn, this is porch, this is front lawn, this is the drawing and dining. Now normally the drawing and dining are used as a single entity, just this a small wall is used to separate the dining and drawing section, otherwise this is one single area. Okay, this is the kitchen. Now you would have seen that in normal houses the kitchen, the dining and drawing are used as are used in single line, like this kitchen would have been placed here, but this was as per the demand of the client, so we have provided kitchen here. Now this is the greasy kitchen, and this is the store, and in this store we can store all the utensils, all these things in this store. So this store is basically used for this kitchen. Okay, this is one another bed, and this is another bed. In this bed we have provided dress and bath, also here the dress and bath, so separate dress and bath area have been provided. Now in this guest bed we have also provided dress and bath. So if you are using this for guest, we all know that in guest bed no dress is required, but this guest bed can be used by the building owner or the house owner for their own purpose as well. So this is that is why we have provided the dress as well. Okay, so this is the lounge of this house, that is the 15 feet by 6 inches in this direction and 23 feet by 9 inches in this direction. This is a huge lounge, a beautiful lounge in fact, that can be used for different purposes. Normally we use it as a seating area. Okay, this was the layout of the ground floor. Now important point of this layout is this house can be used by two different tenants. Like ground floor can be used by one tenant and first floor can be used by another person. The reason is because we have provided one main gate here and another main gate here. From this road here, as I said, there is a road, so we can provide this area as a road. So one car can be parked here, and there you can see that the stairs has been provided. So these stairs from here, okay, here, here, and then here. So this is how the tenant that will be using the first floor, he can approach toward the first floor from here. Now for the security purpose or for the privacy purpose, we have provided a door here. So if two different families are going to use this house, we can provide this door and this will be closed all the time. But if one single family is using this house, then we won't be needing this door to be closed. Okay, so if one single family is living here, we can see that this door will be used as an approach to the mumty as well. Okay, so one single family can use this stair openly anytime. Now if two different families are living here, you can see on the first floor, so you can see here, this is the stair. Okay, so here from this point we will be going up to the mumty, and here is the mumty. Okay, so this is the mumty. Now if you would just look at this, here a door is also used. So if a tenant is using this, like this stair is a separate portion for this ground floor, for the first floor, and from the mumty. So if the user of first floor is using this stair, he will just close his door after reaching his house. So what have we provided at first floor? You can see here that at first floor, as you enter your house, like from first floor you will be entering here. So we have provided the drying on our right side because the guest is going to be here. Okay, so drying here. Now the bed, this is the bedroom number first, this is the bedroom number second, and this is the bedroom number third. So basically this whole house is composed of 5 bedrooms for tenants for living and 1 bedroom for guests. Okay, at ground floor. So here now at first floor, okay, first floor we have 3 bedrooms, 1 dining. Okay, this is dining and drying. Once again, the same layout has been provided here. The dining and drying at one single piece. The kitchen is here. Now, this is a general rule. We can remove this wall as well directly or indirectly. We will be using it from here. So this is the kitchen. This is lounge. This is the bedroom. Wide and beautiful 8 feet by 6 feet baths have been used. And here at this bed, the dress and bath direction is little bit different. 9 feet, this is actually the 17 feet cross 13.5 feet, which is a master bedroom, a bigger bedroom. Windows has been used because the sunlight direction is from this side. So here you can see that windows has been used and these balconies are also provided. So this is a master bedroom, and its dress and bath are also a master class. Like it is 9 feet in this direction and 6 feet in this direction, and the dress is 9 feet in this direction and 5 feet 6 inches in this direction. So this is one of the beauty of this house, that we have used bigger sizes rooms in this one space, that is the store. This store is also provided. Now if you want to use this place as a store, you can use it, but if you want to use this place as a study room, you can also use this place. Okay, so this was the layout of ground floor and first floor. I will be sharing its different videos at different stages. I just wanted to share the layout of this house. Now as per the bylaws, we have provided 400 square feet Mumty as well. This is the Mumty, and in Mumty we have provided a beautiful store, or a bigger store. I am calling it beautiful because it is as per the requirement of, like you will be needing a bigger store per one canal house or 500 square yard house. So we have provided 15 feet cross 8 feet a bigger store, and also a servant room, and this is a toilet that is for the servant room. A small kitchenette has been provided here at servant room. Okay, so this kitchen will be used by the servants. Now here we have provided a small kitchen at this floor as well. Like it, as I said, that this house can be used by 2 different tenants, so a bigger kitchen is needed at first floor. Also at ground floor we will be needing a bigger kitchen because 2 different families will be living here. Now if one single family is living here, then we won't be needing to use this kitchen at first floor, but if 2 different families are living, they both will be needing the same sized kitchen, so we have provided kitchen at both levels. Okay, one another thing, that is at Mumty, this whole place is free and open to use. Okay, anyone this place can be used as a party place, or as an open area, or as a seating place even as well, but we have provided this porch top. Okay, that is actually our terrace. This terrace is also good enough for sitting. Now we have one another point that is important. We have covered this area. I will show it to you in 3D as well. You may see it, that this area is covered from the top like this. Like at this area you can sit at 8 feet cross 12 feet. In this it is 12 feet, and in this direction it is 8 feet. So 8 feet cross 12 feet area is covered at this terrace. The remaining terrace is open. So if there is raining, you can sit here in this terrace, or if it's not raining, you can use or enjoy this place. It's open to use during all the seasons. Okay, so it was one of the beautiful house that the dynamic engineers have designed. I just wanted to share the layout. You also, if you need any such type of drawings, 3D drawings or 2D drawings or structural or architectural design, you can contact us. The contact number has been shown in the video or in the description as well. So this was one of the house layout that I wanted to share with you people. It is a corner plot, and the beauty I have shared is it can be used by 2 different tenants or a single family. 2 different carports have been provided, so that is why I just wanted to share it with you. I hope this would have brought some idea. If you are going to design your house, you would have taken some idea from this design. So if you have any question, or if you think that there could have been some positive improved things in this layouts, please share it in comments. I hope that we would be able to design it in our upcoming projects. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.